So we're at roughly day 10 of a massive heat wave that I am certain was exacerbated by firing up all the microwave towers to dry out the moisture in the air. And then they fire up the high ionospheric heaters, like the one they have at Vandenberg Air Force Base, or the one up in Alaska they call HAARP. Stall the jet stream. So you have nothing standing in the way of the sun to diffuse it. You get full 100% sunshine. And they say they want to spray the sky white to save us. And yet in 10 days, they haven't sprayed a single burst in the sky, as if they wanted to make this heat wave as hot as it possibly could be. And now there's fires breaking out everywhere. Curdville, Arrowhead, Big Bear. Fortunately, not here. It's not an accident. It's not an angry God who's mad about cow farts. It's the people that make money off the climate fees. And want us to give them all of our land and our cars so we can live in a cube. Take the bus and eat the bugs. You notice they admit they can cloud seed. They've been doing that since the 50s. But nobody's cloud seeding over those fires to put them out. That's another way you know it's being orchestrated. They're bringing the chaos so they can give us the order, the new normal world order.